Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be doing Slither.io. So first, let's do a nickname. Yeah, it's gonna be the same one I did for my for Paper.io. Let's change skin. Let's see, which one should I do? I'll do rainbow skin. So, without a further ado, high quality. Without a further ado, let's go and play. Oh my, this map looks way cooler. It's laggy. Oh no. This is a bit weird. No, the background used to be a bit different. But now, like, for people who are using Android for this. Hey, get back your dot. Give me the dot. Yes, I got the dot. Final. Oh my gosh, this dude's huge. I'm gonna see if I can run into Oh! No! Big dude. What was that for? Look. I think I should make a better skin. Yeah, this one. Let's do this guy. Oh my, this person's huge. Is he one of the people on the top 10? Oh wait, no, he's the person I was just meeting. And then oh no! I'm so bad at this on the computer or PC or whatever. I'm better on the iPad at this, but it's laggy on this one. Hey, what do you want? I'm just gonna spend my quiet time picking up some balls and hope that nobody disturbs me. Now I want to run into the action. What do I do? Where's the action? No action's taking part here. So what if I act I'm just an NPC clone or whatever, and I just go straight? Oh no. Hoo-yah! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. That did not work. I just saw somebody. Whoa, this speedy little dude is going nuts. Nope. 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 Now does everybody use the trick that some people did? Change skin. This is an alien. Actually, I kind of want to change my name. I'm going to use this skin and type in something else. There. Now this is going to work. I'm walking peacefully around, collecting some thingamajiggies. Or balls. I don't know why the snakes eat balls. It's not like the snakes are eating so much other people's eggs. This thing is so laggy. do. Yeah, some people might have. Oh my! Oh, that guy is so big. I hope he oofs soon. Somebody oof this guy. I want him to be my lunch. Actually, dinner, because I'm recording this at night. Somebody oof this guy. Why can't anybody listen to me? Oh, whatever. Can somebody... Oh no. Oh my gosh, there are so much big snakes in this area. Why is somebody's name PewDiePie? And can anybody tell me what's going on? Whoa, there's so much big snake. Oh my! If that guy gets oofed by me, he's definitely gonna go raging. No, is this guy trying to trap me? No, don't trap me. You're not trapping me this time. I hope this guy doesn't try to trap me. He just took out a snake. I hope he. Hey, that's my food. My food. It's my food. I called dinner. Hey, that was my food. I wanted that. Nope. Nope. No. I just ate that dude in one bite. Hey. This is, guys, my snack. I need to eat this dude first. This dude's huge. Is he even on the leaderboard board? I hope he is. Can somebody please oof this guy? Whoa! Hey, cousin! Oh, that was so much. But the big. Hey, you're not taking any piece of my lunch away. No! I was 1,171 years old. I'm gonna call the length years for some reason. I don't know why, but I am. I'm gonna change my skin. I mean, it's still laggy, so I always oof. So, work. Whatever. So, I'm gonna change my skin. Actually, I want to do build a slither. I'm gonna do anything I like. Reset. Save. Aw. I wish you could do like this type. Like this. That would be cool. I'm gonna do you. Just completely black. Just black. It's gonna be black, guys. Wait, I should have changed my name. How would a black thing be? Oh, at least the background's now better. I should have not put my name like this. People are gonna think it's weird. Or what if everybody else is an NPC? Hey, get my lunch. No! Wait, this is why it's so laggy. Hey, you! Get back here, you! Get back here! This is my lunch! No, not yours! Get me my lunch! No! No! I'm so small. Oh! I need him. I need to eat him. I'm eating him. What? It's so laggy and I get oofed all the time. I'm gonna see what it looks like on low quality. Huh, doesn't look like anything changed. It doesn't even look like anything changed for some reason. Oh, so the person on the top leaderboard is saying, put your mask on. Whoa, that dude is huge. Or not huger than. Never mind. My lunch. No! You stole my lunch, Iron Man. Go to Slither. Reset. I'm gonna make him America. Wait. Some red. Some of that. Red. There you go. I think I used a lot more red. Do. My lunch. Get over here, my lunch. You're supposed to, my dinner. Yes, I got him. Yeah, better. Baby. Zoom jelly. Get you in my mouth, please. Get in my mouth. Finally, I got it. Oh, I already got one of them. No, that pink one I just oofed this person and then this pink one just runs into me after seeing that I oofed. I don't know why this person ran into me, but at least I have some dinner. Sack to myself. Huh. I'm actually not doing that bad. Mine. My food. Yeah, that's a big red. Get. Wow, that was cool. Hoo-yah. Hoo-yah. Well, I'm almost reaching my high score. You! Get in my mouth! Yay. Wait, did I oof this person? No, I did not. Whoa! Preston plays? That is not Preston. What? Maybe that is not. That did not work out so well. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.
I will see you in our next video. Bye!